Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm about to leave today. They just refilled that before I got here, and they're pulling it again. It's a beautiful day. I would love to stay outside, but we got to go into the Goodwill Bins and see what treasures we can find. I thought this was Santa Claus, but I think it's a little gnome right here. That'd be cute for a garden. I think it's cement. $6.99. Check the wall first. This is an ornament. I think somebody made this. This is really cute. I like this. This looks like a Santa. It is, but he's a newer one. I'll leave him here. I'm told they just changed out these walls right before I got here. So hopefully we can still find good stuff and they're not totally picked over. Here's another Santa right here. Why is he shaped like that? I'm gonna put him right here next to his friend. It's a pumpkin. Ooh, here's some Christmas trees. Nice bottle brush trees. I like the dark color. There's 3 of them. I think I'm gonna get all 3 of these. Look at this glass chandelier. That is pretty. Probably be, I don't know, $3 over here. Somebody come rescue it. More Santas. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. I found these before, but not a Santa one. Should I get him? Should I rescue him? This looks like another Santa. It's an embroidery needlepoint. This is really cute. I think I'm gonna get this. What's this? A cow cup. Oh, this is a brass ball. I think it's missing the hanger. That's still really pretty. All right, I'm gonna get that too. What is this? Little Barbie figurine. All right, I don't see anything else. I'm gonna get this and this. Let's check this side now. I have a lamp. It looks like somebody covered this lampshade. Cute little glass cups. Looks like lots of toys and shoes. What are these? Looks like maybe just some bowl filler. There's a little round thing covered in moss. Looks like somebody made that. There's some boots. Where's the rest of it? There's another little Santa. He's cute, but he's missing the top of his hat. Oh, wood stuff, wood stuff. Here's a square cutting board. Can't go wrong with that. I could actually put some feet on it and make a cute little riser. Ooh, this is pretty. And it's signed, Acacia wood. Okay, it's not signed, it just says what kind of wood it is. A knife block. Another Santa. He's kind of cute. Let's see something else. These, okay, I found these before. They're some kind of musical instruments. Is it for bulls? There's a bull, a person riding a bull on there. Y'all have told me before what those are, but I know there's some kind of musical instrument, but I don't remember what they're used for. Letters. Found a few vintage Christmas items in this bin. Look at this cute little bucket right here. I love these little wooden Christmas ornaments. Cross stitch piece or needlepoint, and here's another one right here, and I love this thick little wooden frame. So I'm gonna get these 4 little Christmas cuties right here. Y'all remember the other day when I found an octopus? Look, I found another one, but this one is actually crocheted. Somebody did a really good job. Should we rescue this and find a new home for it? Here's a bin full of stuff. I don't know what that was, but it's missing its head. Artwork. Christmas cow. Some rugs. Oh, I bet it was like a big, beautiful nativity scene. There's another piece of it. What's in here? Some black acrylic, maybe? I don't know what that is. But there's a few of them. Sewing kit. Some more Christmas stuff. It's all newer Christmas. Lampshades. Ooh, what is this? Is this a newer or older one? Oh man, they're taking those away and I didn't get to dig yet. Look at this giant pencil. I think it actually works. Let's see. It does. I'm gonna get this for my daughter. She would like that. These are cute. Little cards. That is adorable. Okay, I'm gonna get these because they're almost like artwork. It'd be perfect to stick in little vignettes. I wonder if they have any other pictures. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. Yes, I love these. They just got out a new bin. I only found 2 things. This wooden peg rack. I think this is from Walmart. Oh, it's broken right there. That's okay. I want this just for a closet. These are like 20 bucks at Walmart. And look, cute little Santa figurine. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm there to leave today. They just refilled that before I got here and they're pulling it again. I think we might have another Santa in this bin. Oh, this is an older sign, but it's missing his hand right there. There must have been a post or something. Put a lot of screws in it. It's cute. I'm gonna leave it here though. Some garland, a wreath. What is this? I think the wreath is around the dinosaur. I found a bunch of these. I don't know if somebody started them and didn't finish them. The ends aren't done. They look like placemats to me, but I love the subject matter and the quilted look. This would be a pretty hanging tapestry, or you could even frame it and use it as artwork, or you could serge the ends, finish them up, I don't know, however a sewer would, and use them as placemats. All right, how many they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And if you have any other ideas on how these could be used, definitely leave me a comment. They just refilled that wall right there and I found some really good stuff. Okay, first, this is like a Real Touch cedar garland. It has these little picks in here that I don't like, but I think I can easily take those out. And this is the best find so far today. Look at these vintage carolers. I found 4 of them. I love them so much. I'm not sure if this is something that I'm gonna want to sell. I feel like these would look really good in my house. And look at the little papers they're singing from. I mean, they're just adorable, and their little faces. Also got this little guy here. I think it's for a tea light, but I like the look of him. Not sure where this is made. And this looks like a vintage piece to me, but oh wait, yes, yeah, I see it. I think it says England. No chips on it, y'all. Amazing condition. Normally when furniture is at the Goodwill Bins, it's not in the best condition, but this couch right here is in excellent condition. They just don't make things like they used to. It's a Bassett piece. I feel like I could design a whole room around this cute little couch right here. Do y'all like it? I see spindles. Ooh, I like the wood. These are cute too. They would have holes in them though once you pull these out. It is $15. They are definitely upping the prices on their furniture at the Goodwill Bins. They just brought out some brand new bins at the Goodwill Bins. Everybody's digging. This is like a hand-painted Nativity set. It's very heavy, white and gold. I wonder if it has all of the pieces. There's a little cow. Where's the sheep? I love the sheep.
Oh,
Baby Jesus. I don't see the sheep. All right, y'all let me know if I should get this or not. Oh, look. There's the sheep right there. Adorable. Check out what I just found in here. Baby Yoda mug. Does Ren need this? They are rolling out new bins faster than I can keep up with today. And as you can see, we are getting some good vintage Christmas. I feel like they don't make velvet bowls like this anymore. So if I find them, I pick them up. I like to add them to little figurines or little Christmas trees. I got a little bag of them as well. Here's some cute little Christmas bears. They are very small. So you could even take the hanger off and put them in your trinket trays. And the packaging, it says they're hand painted. They're definitely older. And this was on some like fake Christmas plastic greenery. You know what I'm talking about? I just pulled it off because how adorable are these little presents? I didn't want the ball, I just wanted the presents. And I also found some decoupage ornaments. I'm pretty sure these are handmade. Oh, we love a bunny. And then here is, I don't know what y'all think that is, a pheasant. And here's some gooses. I think the rest of them, oh, there's another little bunny. But these are the same, so maybe they're not handmade. I don't know, but I love decoupage ornaments. Here's another one right here with a Santa Claus and a Christmas scene. And this little guy, love him. And I got some of these because I need them, and every time I go to the store I forget to grab some. And while I was talking to y'all, they rolled out a new bin, so let's go dig. I just found these two Christmas towels, or vintage Christmas towels, something y'all are into. Is this something that I should be picking up? I think I'm gonna get them just because there's a set, but please let me know in the comments. Look, somebody did what I'm always telling y'all. Just throw a little Christmas ribbon around your figurine. This instantly Christmas decor. I just found some more vintage ornaments. Look, these are new in the box. Toy soldiers, little wooden ones. I love the pattern on this comforter right here. This would be cute to just throw on your bed like a bed blanket for spring. I don't know what size it is, but it looks pretty big. I just found not one, but two pillow shams to go with this comforter. So now I'm having an even harder decision trying to decide if I'm gonna keep it or not. It's a vintage Waverly Garden Room. Should I get this for spring and put it on my bed? This is very well made. It is in really, really good condition. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? Two pillow shams and a comforter. Here's some more of those crates from the Dollar Tree, but the Goodwill was trying to sell it for $1.99. Are they trying to hide this? What's right here? Ooh, Senatobia, signed E. Crockett 78. This is beautiful. We absolutely have to rescue this. This is a little blast from the past. Do y'all remember these little handmade scrunchies? Oh, look at this one. I feel like I had one just like this. And then look at these barrettes with the ribbons. Did y'all wear stuff like this? Look, my cart on days like this is just really hard to leave the Goodwill Bins, and they just keep rolling out more. As always, there's lots of clothing at the Goodwill Bins, and I just found this dress right here. It has some stains on it, but I cannot leave this behind. Let's see what the tag says. It's definitely an older piece. Limbs, L-I-M, I think. Do y'all know anything about this? Even if you just put this on a beautiful wooden hanger and just have it hanging up as decor, like in a shabby chic vintage room, that would be so pretty. No lie, I was about to head out and then they started emptying the wall. So I cannot leave now. We gotta wait for the next change out. They refill one side. I got some stuff that I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm still looking. It was kind of crazy. Oh, it's pretty. They're about to let us dig on the other side. So pro tip, grab yourself a bag so you can shop quickly and throw everything in there. Look at this beautiful brass planter that I just found. Lots of books in these bins. Craziness here today. I'm still digging on this side and they're refilling those bins over there. I wish I could say that it's like this every day, that they're rolling out stuff so quickly you can barely keep up, but it's not. Probably a good thing though, because then, you know, I'd never be able to leave. They just rolled out some new bins. Look at this basket. It's beautiful. I'm letting myself get bigger baskets because I needed some to put Christmas trees in. I did not have enough. Interesting. Battery operated flying pig. Still in the box. This is everything that I got digging through the walls. I had showed y'all this beautiful brass planter. I don't know if I can part with this. I love that. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's wood, it's metal. It looks interesting. Do y'all know what this piece is? And this is a shoe mold, a wooden shoe mold, but it's on a stand, and I think that's pretty cool and a unique way to display it. So I think I'm gonna leave it on this stand. I love this red berry tree. It's in really excellent shape for being at the Goodwill Bins. I got two crazed cups right here. Oh, I didn't even look at the bottom. Adams, made in England. Two of them. And you cannot have enough bird's nests in your stash. I always pick them up when I find them. And exciting, I found some really pretty florals. Look how good they look in this basket right here. All right, y'all, I've got to go. I've got to move on with my day. And I need to leave before they bring anything out. Normally I show y'all everything that I got in my cart, but it's so full I can't even show y'all everything. So leave a comment below if you remember what I got and what is your favorite item. Also found a ton of clothes just on the top. So tip for the clothing, most of these people are looking for clothing, so they just grab a bunch and then throw what they don't want back. So you always check on the ends and the edges of the bins, and that's where all the good clothing is. So I don't really dig, I just kind of scan, and if I see something I grab it. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on all this stuff. The total is probably gonna be higher just because of this big comforter and all of the clothing, but it was an amazing day at the Goodwill Outlet Bins, so we'll have to come back real soon. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.